What is the family farm? It's more than a business, more than a job. It's a way of life. A tradition rooted in hard work, dedication, and resilience. It's a way of life worth protecting, preserving, and sharing with our neighbors, our communities, and future generations. Because the family farm is more than a place. It's a legacy. It's where values are forged and futures are built. It's where we found out that success comes not just from ambition, but from beating the rooster out of bed, getting your boots on your feet and your hands in the dirt. That small family farm is where it all began. It's where we learned that sometimes the best way to clear your head is a morning ride. To remind you that life moves fast and you've got to find your rhythm or you'll end up on your back. Yeah, we've fallen down a time or two. Success doesn't come without failure. But on the farm, you pick each other up, dust off, and hop back in the saddle. Livestock don't take the weekend off, and neither do we. As the world changes, so do we. We embrace innovation, transforming our family farm into a sustainable enterprise that stays true to our roots while meeting the challenges of tomorrow. At J6 Enterprises, we call it full circle agriculture. Everything we do on the farm, every crop we grow, every decision we make comes back full circle to sustain the land and the livelihoods it supports. As we pass our knowledge, our passion, and our way of life down to the next generation, some things look a little different than they did at the beginning, but some things never change. Even as we evolve, our hearts remain the same, and our roots run deep. From our family to yours, thank you for being part of our journey. Let's continue to grow a better future together.